Hey, your tens. Here's a quick video on expanding brackets. Some people call this the distributive property as well. The way it works is you got to remember that when you have a number outside brackets, there's a little multiply sign right here. Oh, I picked the wrong pen. Just give me a second. I'm just going to undo that. I'm going to pick the highlighter and marker, not the pen. So when you have a number next to brackets, what ends up happening is there's a multiply sign when it's right next to the brackets, like touching it right on. No operation between the number and the brackets. So this means you're going to use the distributive property. I draw the arrows to help you remember and keep organized. We are going to have to multiply 2 times x and 2 times 5. So when you do this, make sure to keep organized. So the next thing that happens is we're going to write 2 times x. That's the first arrow done. Then we write that plus sign right there. And then we do 2 times 5. Now we deal with our multiply signs first. So it's 2 times x, that's 2x. And write a plus sign, and next we do what's 2 times 5, and that's 10. Once you've got that done, you've simplified this as far as you can. There's not much more you can do right now, so that's as far as you can go. And that's basically expanding brackets. Let me go to the next picture. All right, so again, same idea. We're going to multiply 3 by 2x first. So I'll write that down. So that's 3 times 2x. The next thing I do is I write my minus sign, and then I do 3 times 3. I'll do my multiplication first, because that's what you have to do in BEDMAS. So it's 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And then we add a pronumeral on, because it's actually not just 2, but it's 2x. Then we write our minus sign, then we figure out what's 3 times 3, which is 9. Now, this example is a little bit trickier. So in this example, we're going to do first, we're going to do 3 times 2 first, or sorry, 3y times 2x. So that's going to become 3y times 2x first. Then I write my plus sign. Then I do 3y times 4y. Okay. So now I'm ready to do this. 3 times 2 makes 6. And then it's x times y, which becomes 6x. I wrote them in alphabetical order. If you wrote it as 6yx, it's really not the end of the world and doesn't make a difference, but I do, had a good habit and good form, write them in alphabetical order. Plus, what's 3 times 4? That makes 12. And what's y times y? That's y squared. And that's as far as you can go. That's as simplified as you can get. And those are the examples that I have for you to help you do your homework. I hope you're all doing well. Take care.